Welcome back guys in Code Online. Today we are going to do method chaining in PHP. For method chaining we are going to make one class with different methods and we will see how we can do method chaining. So let's go to Visual Studio Code. I'll open terminal and I will go to my folder /html/php projects. So in this I have one folder called first. I'll make one folder by using command make directory. Method chaining will be the folder name for now. Alright, so using Visual Studio Code I will open that folder. It is in my var www html php projects method chaining. Okay, I will open this folder and I will make a new file and name it index.php. So here I will make one class and give it a name string manipulator. So our string manipulator will have different methods such as reverse, uppercase and append, which will reverse our string, which will uppercase all the letters of our string, and also append, which will append any string to our string. So let's define one private property and give it a name string. Alright, and our class will expect one string to be passed as constructor. So public function construct will pass here str. Now our string, this string will be anything that is passed to the constructor. So we'll define many methods, maybe 3 or 4, and we'll use those methods to chain in our object. So let's make a reverse. Public function reverse. So the reverse will reverse our string. So our string will be if we call this method reverse, then it will reverse our string. So we'll use strrev for reversing the string in PHP and will reverse our string. So what this line does is it will reverse our string and put it back to our string. So we'll have another method, we'll name it uppercase, which will uppercase our all of the letters. Okay, so if we call this method, it will uppercase. Okay, so we can use PHP method str2upper to make our string uppercase. So this line will take our string and it will convert it to uppercase and put it back to our string. So now we'll make another function and call it append. Now append will take one string, other string, which will be used to append in our string. So we'll name it prefix, suffix. Okay, suffix. Yeah. Now what this does is it will take our string and concatenate it with our string, suffix. Okay, now if you want to get the string, we can just return the string. Public function get string and this will return $this string. One thing guys, so whenever we want to use a method chaining, we always have to return the same object, so we'll always return this, okay, in every method. So this is the most important thing to not miss in our method chaining. Always remember this. So get string does not should not return any string, because we will not call any method after get string. Okay, so now let's make a new class and new string. Let's call our class new string manipulator, and we'll pass here hello world. Okay, so this is we have called our class string manipulator with hello world string inside it. So now whenever we call class, it will make the object. Okay, so we will call any method in this object, so we can call any object, any method, sorry, such as we can reverse it. Okay, so let me reverse our string, and I will echo $new string. Sorry. So let's check in browser localhost /php projects /method chaining. So it isn't working. Let me see. Give me a minute. So now I think we should move this echo here. So now let's see what we get in the browser. Okay, so we see hello world there, since we have passed hello world. Okay, so now we are getting the string. So let me reverse the string. Okay, so yeah, see, it will saying something that I cannot pronounce. So we can reverse, we can also make it all uppercase. Okay, so you can see, so we can so I will not reverse the string, since it is making our string look very strange. So you can see everything is in caps, though it is in small here. So after uppercase, I will add hello world, and I will append good morning after that. Okay, so let me have a space here, so you can see that. All right, so we can append that, and again I can append as many times as I like. Append comma how are you. See how cool it is. So at first I will convert everything to uppercase. I will append good morning. After that I will append how are you, and I will get the string. So let me uppercase everything. So I will move this method to the very last before getting the string. So now other thing very small, now it will make everything in caps. Okay, so I can make uppercase, lowercase, whatever. So I can append as many times as I like. Okay, so that's it guys. So that's how we do string manipulation or method chaining specifically in PHP. So one thing to remember is we should always return the same object, that is $this, in every method that we want to chain. Okay, so we can call, so let me show you reverse. Okay, so what if we call the reverse 2 times? Reverse, so it will just reverse everything. Let me do uppercase first, and again I will do reverse. So 2 times reverse means whatever it was in the first place, it will make it as it is. So hello world. So this is how you can do method chaining. You can do for calculation, like you can do like add fuel. After that you can do again add labor charge, like that. Okay, so you get the idea. So this is how we can do method chaining. Now let me reduce this thing. Okay, I will just set those string directly in the constructor. So I'll not pass anything. I'll just say string to hello world, so that I can call this method statically. Okay, sorry. So let me make this function static, so I can call them statically. Public static function. Alright, let's see. Why this is not working? We'll see in another video.